মানুষের এই সাইবার ক্রাইম এগেনস্টে ফাইট করার টাইম চলে এসেছে। মানে আমি যে বলছি তাতে চিন্তিত হওয়ার কিছু নেই। সমস্যা যখন আছে তার সমাধান আমাদেরই হাতে। সাইবার ক্রাইম এমনই একটা জায়গায় আছে যেখানে যদি আমরা মনে করি যে সাইবার ক্রাইমকে এখানে বন্ধ করে দেবো, আমরা এই রুটে আমরা বন্ধ করে দিতে পারি, সেটা আমাদের হাতে।
This is Dr. Ruma Gomes. I would like to address people regarding this National Human Rights and Corruption Prevention. Now, what is this National Human Rights and Corruption Prevention? This is something which we do for the right of the human, and also we would like to protect the corruption. So today's theme was related to cybercrime. Now, what are we doing? Because there are a lot of people who are getting cheated. There are a lot of applications in the cyber. So there are the frauds are happening. People are losing their money. Maybe there are certain crimes are also happening. So we would like to protect all the people. This is a program which is basically based on awareness of human being. So this is what we try to do. We try to make people aware about this the cybercrime and how to protect it. So today we had very privileged people of the society, and as well as we discussed about it. And I hope by today's program people have come to know a lot of things which they need to do related to cybercrime. Thank you.